In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a jumping lunge, a fantastic cardiovascular, high intensity and plyometric exercise. Now, firstly, beginners will ask me, Travis, how on earth do I progress to be able to do a jumping lunge? And what I want to do is just simplify this to a beginner, intermediate and advanced version. So let's go advanced first. Jumping lunge is where we come into our lunge position, split stance with the legs. I'm going to drop the back knee. From here, the same hand is forward as the same knee, and I jump forwards and back with each repetition. Now you can either hover off the floor, or alternatively, you can bring your knee to the floor if you've got a soft floor that you're doing it on. Now when you're doing that, you might think, I can't do that, so how do we progress to it? Now the beginner version is simply coming into the same stance, but just coming forwards and back. So I've not got any real bend in the knee here, a very, very slight one. And I'm trying to just work on that forwards back motion. Once you've then got that, what you can then do, just start to add a little bit of bend in the knee. So you're going from, rather than this, to now this. Start to work on your balance, and as you get better, you can then start dropping even lower. So that would be how you do a jumping lunge, how you can regress it, and how you can progress it to do the full variation.